how we discovered this beautiful sunset in Maokong, let me share with you our experience. Since our flight got delayed, all our activities got adjusted for that day. So we came a little bit late in Maokong at around 6 in the evening. But the good thing is, walang pila sa Crystal Cabin. Kaya nakasakay kami kaagad. And it took us around 25 minutes to reach Maokong Station. At paglabas namin sa station, ito na yung nadatnan namin. Sobrang ganda ng sunset. And this was around 6:30 in the evening in the month of June. FYI lang na June is summertime in Taiwan, kaya medyo mahaba ang daytime. So, i-estimate nyo na lang yung time ng pagpunta ninyo dito sa Maokong depende sa month ng bakasyon ninyo kung gusto ninyong ma-experience ang stunning sunset view na ito. By the way, ginamit pala namin pambili ng tickets namin sa cable ride yung iCash card na napanalunan ng friend namin sa Lucky Land. Then after na namin mag-video at mag-picture-picture, tinry din namin yung sikat na green tea and green tea ice cream sa Maokong. May mga open pa ding mga kainan around the area pero hindi na kami kumain kasi plan naming mag-dinner sa Shilin Night Market. At eto naman ang view paggabi sa Maokong Gondola. Although I don't really recommend riding the Maokong Gondola ng mag-isa pag madilim, much better na mag-antay ka ng makakasabayan mo. And that's it for another travel idea.